videos?
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Tell me a little bit about the combo. Built one of the only twin turbo boats we've seen.
Yes, sir. This is the first one in the history of boat racing with EFI and twin turbos.
What kind of cubic inches?
It's 105/55.
And twin, what size?
80s.
Twin 80s?
Yes, sir.
How much boost?
Whatever we need.
A lot?
Well, it varies on the runs, but
right.
we make whatever it needs to make it run. It's been pretty challenging, but we're getting there.
Cool, man. It's a neat setup. Good to see something different.
Thank you. We enjoyed it.
Yep.